welcome to my channel once again. Here in this video is about adsclick. So first of all, what is adsclick? Adsclick is a new platform that you use to make money. So all you need to do, watch this video to the end. It's going to be amazing, and if it is your first time of coming to my channel, consider subscribing for more videos. So how this platform is that where you first create this platform, they will give you $25, and if someone sign it through your link, it'll give you $20. So that is how it is. You see this place, this is the place you can watch video. After you watch the video, they'll give you $15 here added to your balance. You see this place, this is the place you can invite people through your link. And this place, this is the place you can withdraw. So the minimum amount you can withdraw on this platform is $200, but I have $168 now on this platform. So that is how it is. See this place, this is the place you can withdraw also. So if you click on these shows now, it will show you the different type of bank, the different type. As you can see, we have PayPal, Western Union, Cash App, Venmo, and so on. Back to home. So if you click on this tax now, there are some form you fill. After you fill the form, they'll give you money added to your balance. So if you need the link, I am going to copy the link paste on my Facebook now. So if you need the link, you can go to my Facebook and click the link and sign it through my link. So I have pasted the link on my Facebook now. So that is how amazing this platform is. So if you find this video interested, consider subscribing for more videos. Thank you for watching.